Det är ju mysigt att elda på våren, det är lite av en, men då kan man göra det till det kommer bli mycket mer magiskt när man väl eldar, om man eldar lite mindre slentrianmässigt. Men min inställning i frågan är att det är perfekt matchning att sluta elda nu. Ja, för vi behöver sluta ta ting, då får man ner volymen och då visar det sig att det där som känns till tom, så får man ju, då har ju de ett värde, för det finns ju folk som skriker efter kompostämnen och som ska odla och bli självförsörjande och så.
Ja, trevliga tankar och dela på grejer där och använda.
Ja, det är ju roligt det här.
Men
samlas kring flismaskinen med hörlurar på, så kan man ha sån. Det är klart det är trevligare när det knastrar från en eld, men man kan nog lära sig gilla.
I diskussionen till exempel all komposttuggen och så vidare.
Hej.
För det ska ju göra.
Vart är du på väg någonstans?
Till jobbet.
Till jobbet, ja. Tycker det såg ut när vi mötte dig, tycker det såg ut som väldigt betonade rutor.
Jaha.
Men jag tror att det bara var... Såg du ut så, då tänkte jag det där på vem.
Ja, men det är bra.
Ja.
Man ska alltid kolla.
Ja, men exakt. Men allting såg bra ut där, så att...
Ja, men tack detsamma. Hej.
Welcome back to my budget BTCC 850. Today we are doing the exhaust, and I am learning to do some TIG welding. I'm gonna try it. I've been doing the welding with MIG, and it's been going good, but I always wanted to learn to TIG. I've tested it now sometimes. One time I've tested it one time, and I really like the non-splatter or spatter side of it, that you can have it on the workbench and it's clean and all that. But I suck for now. But let's learn. And here we have our welder. Stamos. It's I don't know what you call it. It's a multi that you can do MIG, stick, and TIG. It's pretty basic, but it's been working really good for all that I have done. And yeah, here we have the 850 catalytic converter, and I didn't wanted to mess with the O2 sensors and trying to get those off because they've been there for forever, so I just unplug them, the wires. And this is a piece that I've been working on with some. Here you can see the welds went really bad. I mean it was really bad. This is done with the TIG, but it's I think it's doable. But hey, I'm learning, and this will go on that one, so we're gonna weld these pieces together now. The V-band is a 2.5 inch. It's gonna go to one muffler, I think, and then straight out. So let's dive into it and watch me do some crappy welds, and hopefully we'll be done with the exhaust soon on this car so we can get it out on the road. yeah, here's the result, and it got pretty bad, but yeah, I think for the material being, this side was okay, but where I started, it looks like that, like it looks like crap. But yeah, I'm using a stainless filler actually for this, but yeah. Making some progress here. Gonna show you where we're at. We got the piece there with the enlargement piece to the V-band. Here we got the band, and this was the hanger that I've been working. It's such a large distance here, so it's a bit floppy and hitting that piece. This is a threaded rod. Like to use them as a hanger because you can put a nut at the end of it, and I'm satisfied so far, except for this, but I think maybe it will work. It's pretty solid, but I would like it to have been a bit even more, because yeah, this distance is very long, far, so we'll see. Maybe I'll have to strengthen that up in some way, but let's continue. And yeah, for this I did the MIG, as you saw, so let's continue. So where are we at? I noticed that it's kind of tricky to film, and under the car it was so dark, I didn't have a good light, so I just kept on working and welding, and so, and yeah, the result went a little bit better, fortunately. So as time went on, so I'm just gonna show you where we're at the moment. It's not done, but almost. On this piece, I was worried that it was gonna flex a lot and hit this bracket. So I did this kind of welded this piece on here, on that one, and on the exhaust, and I put some rubber bushings here in each corner, which it went perfectly, I think, and it's so very solid now. And yeah, the exhaust goes here, up there, and here I actually had to for the hole, when I had the welder still on MIG, when I switched to TIG, and it burnt quite a large hole. So if you're wondering how it looks or how it goes when you don't switch your welder to TIG after you MIG weld, I have a photo, I have a video of it here. So I had to take this is a stainless piece which I welded on, and I actually think it turned out good. But yeah, this is where we're at now. So here, on here, this piece, I got myself a little muffler. So here's the muffler piece that I got will be a good fit here. I hope. I'm gonna keep on working with the exhaust, and I'll get back when we're finished, I think. A little update about how we are doing. We are doing fine, I think. So here we have the muffler rust. So here I used the factory rubber bushings here. It's very solid. And here we have a simple clamp holding this part. And so let's just button up the O2 sensors in the car. And of course the exhaust there will be a tip. So now let's start it up. Listen to kind of how it's gonna sound. The battery is unplugged. Let's try it again. Sounds good. Yes. So it's a new day since I worked on the exhaust last time and we started the car and all that. I feel I'm getting a bit sick. I'm cold maybe, but so I'm gonna take a break in the exhaust fabrication, and I'm trying on some exhaust tips ends. If I can make, I would like to have a slight angle like this, you can see, but instead of this one, like that, slight angle down, that would be ideal, I think. So I'm gonna try stuff out and see, but let's put on the wheels. I want to have the wheels on, so I'm excited for that. And we're gonna check for the ride heights, and oh no, we're gonna set it on to inspection heights. It's gonna be a lot higher than when we're gonna drive it. So let's put on the wheels and lower it down and see where we're at on that one. Here, so we have them back from the tire shop and got the wheels. No, we got the tires mounted, if you can see. And I am regretting choosing the super low profile. Wish I had gone with the slightly bigger one, a larger one, but we can go there the next season if we want to. I'm so tired, man. So I'm gonna mention the rear springs coil overs. They are set now on the lowest setting and it's too high, but obviously for the inspection it will be fine. But that's a problem, because what I found out that these ones are made for the wagon, which it didn't say when I bought them. I read that on another page. Yeah, that will be a problem. we're gonna have to do something. So, moment of truth here. Oh. Let's not be dramatic. In the rear, you have this gap to deal with. It's pretty massive.